Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Bank of America mobile banking, full guide step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have the Bank of America mobile banking app installed on your smartphone. Open the app from your device's home screen. On the welcome screen, tap on the sign in option. Enter your online ID in the designated field. Next, type your passcode in the appropriate field. If you have forgotten your online ID or passcode, tap on the Forgot ID/passcode link. Follow the prompts to retrieve your credentials. For first-time users, tap on Enroll to create an account. Input the necessary personal information to begin the enrollment process. After entering your details, create a new online ID and passcode. Once signed in, you may see a prompt to enable biometric authentication. If you wish to use this feature, follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. You can choose to enable fingerprint or face recognition for quick access. If you prefer to skip biometric setup, simply tap Not Now. After signing in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app's features. To navigate your account, use the menu options available on the home screen. Always make sure to log out after each session for added security. If you encounter any issues during the authentication process, check your internet connection. You may also want to ensure that your app is updated to the latest version. For further assistance, access the Help section within the app. This guide helps you authenticate seamlessly and safely with Bank of America mobile banking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.